this is WJC85 and today we are going to be doing a very old Beyblade unboxing. And when I mean old, I do mean the Beyblade keychain tops. So basically, right, these were produced back in 2002 by the actual Beyblade company, what D Rights obviously is sponsored by, and all you could collect was Dragoon and Dranzer, but no Dranzer. I'm not entirely too sure why you couldn't collect Dranzer. I forgot the reason why, but I only get 3 out of the actual 4 blade breakers. So what I'll do, guys, I'll open this bad boy up and I will compare it with this bad boy. So obviously, unfortunately, I haven't actually got a Dranzer to show you to compare against, but I can show you obviously this one against Dragoon Storm. Right, so what we'll do is we'll get this one out right now. So guys, these are just the keychain ones. Oh, there we go, already open, bam, done. Right, I think, right, so this is what you get. So it comes, right, so you get the Beyblades. I don't think you can do what you usually do to the old ones. I think it's all glued down, something like that, but pretty similar. Oh yeah, that's it. You can see it's pretty similar, you don't get the plastic guard on that, but oh yeah, compared to the size, it is pretty awesome. I'll show you what you do is, if you want to battle them, you take this off, yeah. So you get your string. If I can open it. There we go. Very sure that's what you do. You get your string. Obviously get that in there. Okay, if I can. Where does it go? I do not know. So we'll put it in. Well, guys, these have been in here for how long? So obviously it's going to be a bit hard and done. But yeah, there we go. And that's right. Yeah, this is what you do. Put it on and let it rip. Obviously, this will be better in the actual dish. But yeah, that's right. Yeah, look at that. It hasn't got a rubber button on like this one, but it's pretty cool. I do like it. It's pretty sweet. Actually, yeah, it does actually look similar to the Beyblade first one, which is pretty awesome. I think we're missing a sticker off this for some reason, and somehow, I don't know how, but I think it's been in the box that long. I don't know where the sticker's gone. Yeah, it's alright, it's still making order. So we'll get Dragoon Storm out. I mean, Dranzer. So let's get Dranzer out. There we go. We do have the sticker here. Where's that one for Dranzer? So we'll put that back on. Right, we'll put that on in a sec. Right, so we'll get all this out as well. So you get the 2. Pretty similar to Dranzer Beyblade, I'm guessing so, back in the day. I could not get this one back on just for the life of me. See if I can put this sticker back on where it needs to go. It doesn't seem great. There we go. Okay, yeah, going back on board. Like that. Dranzer, guys. A mini Dranzer. So there you go. It hasn't got the same bottom on, but still pretty decent, I'll see, compared to the size. Pretty small. Right, so basically, guys, what I want to do, yeah, get these on the launchers and battle them out. So what we'll do, guys, before we start, I'll show you the, if I can get that back on. I kind of feel like this one should really go with, for that reason, with but we'll see. Right, guys, so compare that to the launcher. Look at that. Look how tiny that is compared to that. The launcher fits in the launcher and the string, yeah. Damn, not as big as that one. But what we'll do, guys, is we'll get these into battle. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video, then get these in addition. We'll test them. Right, I'll be back in a bit, guys. Right, guys, I'm now back. What I'll do is put it there. There we go. Got a better view on the actual dish. So what I'll do, guys, I'll put Dranzer in first. See that one, guys? 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay, that one back in the stud. I actually do like the tip on that. It's quite pointy, as you can see. So it's trying to replicate the actual funny, but it doesn't go too well. Right, so let's get that back in the dish. Okay, so we do 3, 2, 1, new it. Let bounce. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, that looks like Dranzer one instantly. Alright, I'm going to take this off there with these backwards here. So what we'll do, guys, right, we'll grab this, put these back on the launchers, and we'll have a second go. If I can, guys, I will be getting Dragoon for this. Well, for these keychain tops. I wish I could actually be able to get just here, but no, it doesn't look like just here that's been made. That's what we'll do, guys. We'll put Dragoon in first. There we go. As you can see, it's speedy, that one. It looks like Dranzer wins again. And actually, we'll get a proper match going. So as you can see, that's what you do. So with your friends, if you wanted to have a battle, but which you haven't got no room in your bag, right? Like, which you do want to take these, anywhere you want to, you can do. There we go, guys. We do actually have a battle going on here. There you go. There's the little bad boys going. There we go. Looks like the back end is stronger. Looks like Dragoon's coming stronger. Oh. It looks like that was a draw. Simultaneously. Sorry, I forgot the words, but it's a draw. Well, that's what we'll do is we'll have one more battle, then I'll end the video there. So cool. Okay, I'll put that in this. Right. We'll try and do it first this time. Aye, that would have been wrong, so we'll do that again. Okay, and keeping these close to the dish. I don't get it, but I can't really get this one in the dish. Right, so this will be our last battle anyway. So alright, well, it's a bit fiddly to get in. When you got it in. There we go. Got it on button. So we'll win. And there we go. Right. I am waiting for more Beyblade orders to come through. I have been waiting for a few secret ones that I do not want to tell you about because it's obviously a secret. And hopefully you will enjoy the actual unboxing. So what I'll do, guys, I'll spin this one for the end of the video. And there you guys, this has been a double unboxing on Beyblade keychain tops. Right guys, this has been WJC Blades 95 and peace.